Good morning, students. Today we will study about multiplication of decimal numbers, Unit 7. First, we will see multiplication of a decimal number by a whole number. Question is multiply 0.2 with 3. So, what we'll do first? Multiply 2 into 3, that is 6. First multiply the numbers ignoring the decimal point. Then 0.2 into 3 will be 0.6. Here number of decimal places in 0.2 is 1. So we will keep only one decimal place in the product from right hand side. The next question, multiply 4.18 by 5. First multiply the numbers ignoring the decimal point. So 418 multiply 5 is equal to 2090. Now number of decimal places in 4.18 is 2. So keep same number of decimal places in the product as in the multiplicand. Therefore 4.18 multiply 5 will be 20.90. We put only 2 decimal places in the product from right hand side here. Worksheet 1. Question 1. Find the product. Question A is 0.3 into 3. So now first multiply the numbers ignoring the decimal point. So 3 multiply 3 is 9. And we can see in 0.3 only one decimal point is there. So put one decimal place in the product from right hand side. So 0.3 into 3 will be 0.9. Question C. 0.412 multiply 2. So first multiply the numbers ignoring the decimal point. So 412 multiplied 2 is 824. Number of decimal places in 0.412 is 3. So we will keep only 3 decimal place in the product from right hand side. So 0.412 multiplied 2 will be 0.824. Question number D. 0.005 multiply 15. So first multiply the numbers ignoring the decimal point. So 5 multiply 15 is 75. Now see the number of decimal places in 0.005 is 3. So keep 3 decimal places in the product from right hand side. So the product will be 0.075. Question E. 2.4 multiply 23. So multiply 24 with 3, you'll get the product 552. Here the number of decimal places in 2.4 is 1. So we will keep only one decimal places in the product from the right hand side. So the product will be 55.2. Question Z. 71.8 multiply 248. So first multiply the numbers ignoring the decimal point. On multiply 718 with 248 we get 1,78,064. The number of decimal places in 71.8 is 1. So keep only one decimal place in the product from right hand side. The product is 17,806.4. Question E. 1.001 multiply 96. So first multiply the numbers ignoring the decimal point. So 1001 multiply 96, the product is 96,096. Now see the number of decimal places in 1.001 is 3. So put 3 decimal place in the product from right hand side. So the product is 96.096. Question number 2. If 3485 into 16 is 55,760, find 348.5 multiply 16. So the product is already given in the question. So see the number of decimal places in 348.5 is 1. So put one decimal place in the product from right hand side. So the product is 5576. In the B part, 34.85 multiply with 16. So the number of decimal places in 34.85 is 2. So we will put 2 decimal place in the product from the right hand side. The product will be 557.60. In the C part, 3.485 multiply with 16. Here the number of decimal places in 3.485 is 3. So we will put 3 decimal place in the product from the right hand side. So the product will be 55.760. Thank you. Solve rest of the questions of worksheet 1.